Okay guys, I have to say, I do not understand the way people dress here. It's literally 7. I'm not cold, okay? I could remove a jacket right now. But people here, they wear shorts and sleepers. Like what? Wait, no, I don't get it. Can't even see the top of the buildings. It is a bit cold today, even though I just saw a girl with slippers on. But yeah, everything is going well. I'm loving it. Boston, I don't know how you pronounce it. It's really nice. It's really cool. It's a cool city. It's like a ghost town right now, and I love it. People are nice. The city is interesting. Lots of history, which I love. And this afternoon, I'm gonna do the Harvard tour, which I'm very excited about. And I hope I'm gonna be able to film for you guys. I heard a lot about that, the Boston Tea Party. I'm not sure I'm gonna do it this time, but maybe next time. It is a foggy day. Raining? Still, it's not really raining, so I'm glad. But it's cool because there's nobody. I have the whole place for myself, which I love. A Dunkin truck. How cool is that? I got the Boston cream one. The guy was super nice. Answered my dumb question about Boston cream. It smells really good. It's a lot. Vanilla cream. Good morning from the beautiful Boston. Look at that. Oh, I can zoom in. Beautiful. It's Wednesday. I've been here for 2 days and I feel like I've been here for a week, which I love this feeling. Today I'm gonna go to the USS Constitution. I did a museum on Monday, was it? Yeah. And the ship only opened on from Wednesday to Sunday. So we're gonna go do that. I wanna see it as I did the USS Constellation in Baltimore. apparently, so this one is a lot bigger. The guy from the museum told me, and it's still active. Like there's still like I saw like army people, you know, like soldiers and all that around. So that was interesting. That was neat to see. And this afternoon, I want to go check out the big library. I like Boston. I really like Boston so far. It's great. I'm making friends, and that is amazing. I have a new sweet girlfriend from New York City. I'm learning so much. Here it is, beautiful and big. Yes, that is cool. Didn't get to share with you my thoughts on the USS Constitution. It was nice. It was really cool to visit, and especially to see that, you know, Marines around and then army people, I mean, you know, wearing the uniform. Their little area inside is also very interesting. It has a lot of facts and stuff, so that's cool. The thing is, I was really expecting something bigger, because the guy really, like, you know, at the museum on Monday, he told me, like, when I told him I did the USS Constellation in Baltimore, it was like, oh yeah, that's nothing, like, you're gonna see this one is way much bigger, better, and all that. And so I had expectations. Thing is, I feel like it was a lot smaller than the USS Constellation, so I don't know, but it was still great, you know, like, we don't care about that, Mary. It was great. I liked being able to do that, and I got more stamps for my National Park book, which I'm happy about. It's made of Lego. How cool is that?
The biggest lesson I pulled from boot camp is how to deal with stress. And it's why I encourage people to go through something similar to that, even if they don't go through boot camp. Just be comfortable with stress, because it'll come, and it's going to come and go in your life, and you got family, and you got kids, and everybody's, you know, and everybody wants something from you, and you can't please everybody, or you're at work and something needs to get done, and it's, you know, and it's up to you to get it done. So that was probably the biggest lesson I learned.
And yeah, right now I am editing for you guys and doing my best for you guys to have like a video on Saturday. Is it a Mustang? I want to go to the public library because on the pictures it's not a Mustang. It looks amazing. It looks beautiful, the architecture especially, and if I can work over there, that would be nice. So I'm gonna go do that and try to get a snack because I'm hungry. And Dunkin Donuts is everywhere here. I do not know why. It's like you get one here, like 100 meters away, you get another one. It's like everywhere. It's gonna rain, so well, we're gonna make it quick. It's 20 minutes away by foot, so I'm gonna do that and bring you with me, of course. Yeah, it's cool. Being at the hostel, it's an experience that I love because I was talking to a girl just now. She's from Oregon, and she was talking about her travels in Colorado and Chicago and taking the train, you know, like talking to me about the arm track, something like that. And you get to learn so much when you're in a place like that with people doing the same as you, traveling, just passing by, you know, coming from so far away. And I just love that. It's great. Yeah.